Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through how you can buy data on Lyca Mobile in 2026. So first of all, you can purchase data with the help of the My Lyca Mobile application on your smartphone. So you just have to simply log in into your account with the help of your Lyca Mobile number. Now, when you are inside, you are going to see the bundles option. So you need to simply select your plan that you want to purchase. Afterwards, you are going to see the quick top up button. So you just have to simply tap on that. Again, select your packages, select your payment method, and then you can just simply complete the payment process. So this way your data should be added shortly after the purchase is completed. Now, another option for you to buy data is via the Lyca Mobile's website. So you need to come here on Lyca Mobile's website. Then here, you just have to simply visit the quick recharge section. Afterwards, you just have to simply click on the buy now button and then provide your mobile number. You can also browse the available data bundles. So after selecting your packages, you just have to simply review your order details and then complete your payments using your preferred payment method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.